You need to talk in the video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not a silent video.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is... What's my name again? Uncle Keith.
Uncle Keith.
And I'm here to help you at Starbucks.
Thank you. Uncle Keith.
Hey, don't smother me.
What do you do for a living, Uncle Keith?
You know what? I drink coffee.
You drink coffee for a living?
I live a good life.
You do? Live the good
I
life?
I'd say.
Yeah.
I'd say.
Are you from England, Uncle Keith?
I think. I had this roll of TV.
Yeah.
It was awesome. Like, I was a stock actor.
Oh, you actually might be from Australia.
He's like, yeah. That's awesome. Kangaroos. Super. One bounced on me. I was like, ah. It's like, meow. It's like, yeah. I'm Uncle Keith.
Okay, finish it up.
And I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.